Hi, right, this is a video of the ATI 9800 Pro AGP video card that's supposedly not working. I don't know if I can get this to focus properly. You can see it's got the funny markings there as per the eBay photo. I'm talking just there. And on the rear, where are we? The serial number. There we go, nice and clear, serial number there. Okay, so again, that will match it up to the item that was sold and shipped out. Right, I'm just about to install this again into the wife's computer. So this is obviously slightly fiddly because I need to do it with one hand. So I shall just try and get this set up so it can be watched. Okay. Right. So there we go. There's the card slotted in and extra power adapter plugged in and the video lead plugged in. Okay, so let's just power up the computer. Okay, and as you can see there, the monitor's kicked into life, no problem there, and the machine is booting up. Okay, all working there. You can see the blur of the fan going on it. And just to show that there's nothing else untoward going on there, so we got one video lead, the onboard video for the computer is not connected. Okay, right, sorry it is slightly shaky, but I'm doing it via my mobile phone. Okay, not the quickest of computers to start up. It's about 7-8 years old, this computer, but for what we use it for, which is basically just as a basic print server for the house, then it works absolutely fine. And there we go, Windows desktop come up, and I shall just bring up the desktop adapter properties to show that the video card is the only one there that's working. Okay, so properties, settings, and there we go. The BenQ FP931 monitor on the 9800 Pro ATI Radeon card, so absolutely no problem there at all. I did run it up earlier on with 3D Bench to fully test its capabilities, and that went through its testing, and I've got a screenshot of that which I can also provide. So that shows that there was absolutely no problem with the card at all. It does raise the question that there is issues there. So being that you think you had it installed properly, then all I can think of is that the machine that you're trying to install it into isn't capable of a specification AGP card such as this particular one. It might be an older AGP slot on the motherboard that doesn't accept a slightly more current AGP video card, or it could be that the power supply simply isn't up to scratch to power everything that's required on the PC, because these cards, because they have the extra power lead on them, they do require a more powerful power supply in the computer to be able to run everything. So that is also an option in the past. I've come across, and in my previous job I was tier 3 support for a large mail order computer company. I've installed in excess of 4 figures of these cards, so I do know them quite well myself. So anyway, but as we can see, fully working card.